Hi everyone. I'm gonna play a little bit at my local today, Indiana Grand. Have some birthday free play. That's got to be lucky, right? It's pretty nice casino here. So let's see how I do. I'll let you know. Hi everybody, I'm at Indiana Grand playing some Wonder Wheel. Just got a bonus. Let's see if we can do anything with it. Oh, soft. Alright, regular free games. Let's see what we can do with it. Alright, 1 buffalo head, 2 buffalo heads. Alright, we need coins. You know the drill. 3 buffalo heads. They don't do much good unless we get some re-triggers. Come on now. Buffalo heads. Eagle's gone. Running out of spin. Come on, coin. Coin, please. Last game. Alright. Well, that was kind of a bummer, wasn't it? 580. Alright, I'll be back if I get anything else. Thanks. Alright, very next spin. I got another bonus. Let's see if this can be a redemption bonus. How about the grand? That would be amazing. Super. Alright, free games. Try it again. This is our do-over bonus. Let's get something better. Some jacks. 1 head. Need those coins. Still need those coins. Come on, coin. Head number 2, still no money. Head number 3 and 4. Okay, Eagles are going bye-bye. Got a small hit there. Well, only 2 spins left. We really need coins. Coin, come on. There we go. Re-trigger. Okay, 5 more spins. Let's see if we can do anything. We're up to 6 heads. Wasted sunsets. Hate those. Come on, 3 spins. Some elk. Coin. Just went by. There's a little bit. Got some aces. Milk, queens, kings. This is our last game, so let's see what it comes up to. No, 1450. I guess it's better than the last one. Alright, hopefully we'll get another bonus soon. Let's do a backup spin live and see what we can get. Couple with you here. Yeah, it's not going anywhere, is it? Alright, I'll come back if I get something good. Thanks for watching. Alright, I'm back still with Indiana Grand. Wasn't sure whether I wanted to record again since the last couple bonuses weren't very good, but got a pretty darn good line hit there and another bonus, so maybe we can do something with this. That's a $35 line hit there. Yeah, alright. See what we can do with the wheel. Alright, come on now. Come on, wheel. nines, kings. So that should be a little something. Yeah, it's a point show. What do you know? Point show. $12 in Buffalo. A little bit of something else. All right, last spin. Let's make it good. Well, 20 for the bonus, 35 for the line hit, 55 total. Guess that's better than nothing. All right, I'll be back. All right, still at Indiana Grand. I moved machines because look at the grand on this one. And the Buffalo Gold bonus is pretty good. The Timberwolf bonus is good. Just hit a Buffalo bonus. Let's see if we can do anything better than we have been. Come on, super free, jackpot, something. Oh, stop. Seems like all I can get on this is the basic free games. All right, first head. Come on, coins. Another head. Really need some money to go with those. Point. Right there too. Jacks. Oh, come on, 2 more spins. I need some re-triggers. Last spin, come on now. Nope. No, these bonuses are destined to be bummer bonuses. All right. Let's hope it gets better. Thanks for watching. So I got a Timberwolf bonus. Let's see if that is anything better than what the Buffalo bonus has been doing. Alright, so good start. Let's get the wheel going here. Come on. Timberwolf jackpot's at $3.99. That would be pretty awesome. Grand. $5,000. I will take that. I've actually never gotten a jackpot on this. And we're right back to free games. Alright, well, now comes the decision. Which one to do? Alright, I'm going to go with 16. We can get re-triggers on this too. We need the moons for multipliers. This one has a respin feature. If you hit a moon but don't get a line hit with it, it will respin for you. So far I haven't seen any moons to show you that. Oh, there's a 2. Okay, but we got jacks, so that's not very much. Alright, come on. Make us a better bonus than what we've been getting, please. Re-trigger. No. You need 3 owls to re-trigger. First 3 rows. You can also get a moon in there. Alright, this is getting pretty depressing here. Look at that. Nothing. This is just sad. Wow. Well, that was a bummer. 645. Oh, man. I'm not even sure I want to post this, but hey, we'll see. All right, thanks.